way to our first store. I'm so excited. Like, when I say this is my addiction, I have addiction for couponing. Yes, a straight up addiction. I got my son with me over there, and we about to go hit some stores up, okay? So our first store is going to be Food Lion. So let's see, is Food Lion gonna allow me to be great today and I come out with this haul, okay? So let's go. So you guys, I am inside Food Lion and I am on the detergent aisle, okay? So I'm just gonna grab my things and then I'm gonna shoot over there to a couple of more aisles and I will get back with you guys, okay? So you can see this great haul, all right? And by the way, I got coupons. So I have all of my coupons. I only brought the coupons in that I need for this particular store. Trust me, I have a book which once I get back to the house, I will sit down and give you guys the breakdown, what I got, what I saved, and all that other good stuff. Okay? Catch you guys later. Okay, I'm leaving out of Food Lion, and I was great. Yes, so I got all of my stuff that I wanted besides one thing. So with that being said, I am going to head to another Food Lion and pick up my other stuff. So I will catch you guys in a few. Okay, so I'm at my second store. I am at Dollar General. Yum. And I'm about to go in here and be great. I'm about to come out here with a super haul, okay? So I will catch you guys in a few. I just got home from my coupon therapy. Yes, coupon therapy. It's good for the mind. Okay. Anyways, so I'm about to go to my car and I'm ready to unload all of the good stuff that I have got today. And I'm going to get back on camera because I want you guys to see what I got. Not only do I want you guys to see what I got, I want you guys to know how much I paid for it, okay? So, I'll catch you in a second, okay? This is my haul. I got some really good stuff, you guys. So, starting here, I have 2 big bottles of Dawn. I have 20 bottles of the medium size. The medium size Dawn. I have 20. I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I have 10 of the Downy Unstoppable beads. I have 7 Dove foam hand soap, 7 Dove bar soap, 4 of the 2-pack sparkle paper towels, and I have 6 of the 6-roll sparkle paper towels. Now, to give you guys the breakdown. So, to give you guys the breakdown, I have all of my receipts here. My receipts from Dollar General and Food Lion. Okay. Now, so I got all of the Dove foam hand soap and the Dove bar soap from Dollar General. That's all I got from Dollar General. Everything else came from Food Lion. So with that, my total out of pocket, my total for my Dollar General haul came to $29.96. After my coupons, I paid $8.96 for all of the Dove products. Yes, amazing. Okay, now on to the big one. So my total out of expense pocket for Food Lion, which was consist of all the paper towels, the Downy Unstoppable Beads, the Dawn dish detergent. It came to a total of $187.67. That's a lot. Too much. But with my MVP card, because my paper towels was on sale for $4.99. The 6 rolls was on sale for $4.99. The small ones was on, they wasn't on sale, but it was $3.49. My Dawn dish detergent was on sale for $2.69, and the 2 large bottles that I got was on sale for $4.39. So with all of my deductions from my MVP card and the total deductions from my coupons, I spent a total at Food Lion $59.65. That's amazing. So from $157.71 to $59.65. Bam. Amazing. Okay. Now, my grand total for everything, with the money I spent at Dollar General and the money I spent at Food Lion, I spent a total of $68.61 for everything. That is amazing. Give it to me. So, that's all I have for today's haul. I have more videos coming up of my couponing hauling, if you want to say that word. I don't know. Anyway, maybe one day I will take you guys to my stockpile and let you see. You're gonna be like amazed of everything that I have, from detergent to body wash to hand soap to washing powders, paper towels, tissue. It's amazing. Like, it's here to here to here to here. Like, it's stuff everywhere. But maybe another day I may do a video on how I organize my stockpile. That'll be a good one. Let's see. We'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this haul, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.